How does a Chinese person type on the computer? Do Chinese keyboards look like a bunch of characters? To find out how a Chinese person type on the computer, we must know some basics about Chinese. Here's a brief summary about Chinese. Every Chinese word has two parts, the character and the pinyin. For the native Chinese speaker, only characters are necessary. For example, if you're reading a book, watching the news, or if you just turn on the subtitles when you're watching a movie, the Chinese person will only see the characters. No pinyin will be necessary. However, pinyin is helpful for the Chinese person when they're first learning a new character. They would just simply memorize it, and then eventually they will not need the pinyin, they will just see characters. Every Chinese word looks like a character, but the pronunciation is known as pinyin. Generally, all pinyin has three parts: initial, final, and the tone mark. Initial is what's normally known as consonants. The final is normally known as the vowel. Tone marks help you to know how you pronounce it. It is not really necessary when you're typing on the keyboard. Here are a few examples. I'm a piano teacher. I can say 我是一名钢琴老师. If I was typing this out on the computer, I would type WOSHIYIMING GANGQINLAOSHI. Notice no tone marks were necessary. Notice that for every word that I type, a bunch of options show up underneath. I can use the spacebar to pick the first option, or I can use the numbers to pick the characters that are the ones that I want. Here are a few more examples. Additionally, I may not need to type out every single letter for each character. Certain words are more frequently combined and used in Chinese. For those, we can simply type out the first letter of each character. Let's say 我是一名钢琴老师. I can just type WSYMGQLS. That normally gives you the right characters. Let's say that sentence is too long for the computer to figure it out, and then you can always break it down into certain parts. 我是 WS, 一名 YM, 钢琴 GQ, 老师 LS. Let me know if this was helpful for you.